So Dan has just come out of the polytunnel from his morning watering and brought out our very first ripe melon. Apparently this one just came away, so usually when they do that they are ready to go. So we're going to give it a try. Okay, here we go, first melon of the season. Tuck in, Dan.
Let's give it a go, see how she is.
Is it ripe?
Yeah. Could be a tiny little bit more, but it's delicious. Very sweet actually, so yeah, a good sign of things to come.
What a way to start the day. Yeah. Fresh, crisp, juicy, sweet melon. Picked just seconds before. Gotta love gardening, guys. Gotta love your gardening. Murph, what do you think about this? You want the melon skin, don't you, boy? You want the melon skin. What a beautiful morning.